in class 7th. Today we are going to start our chapter number 17, that is perimeter and area of geometrical figures. Perimeter and area of geometrical figures. So what's perimeter first? Perimeter, the distance around a plane figure is called a perimeter. For example, if we have a plane figure like this, so the distance that is around this figure starting from this and goes from all these directions is known as its perimeter. If we have a triangle, so the distance around its all the three sides is known its perimeter. If we have the rectangle, the distance of its all the sides is known as its perimeter. How to find out the perimeter? To find a perimeter, we can add the distance of its all the sides to find its perimeter. The distance is given of its all the sides. By adding up the distance of all the sides, we can find out the perimeter. Perimeter of quadrilateral. How to find out a perimeter of a quadrilateral? For any quadrilateral, the length of AB will be known as L and the breadth of AD will be known as B. How to find out the length of all the sides? We will find as A plus B, B plus C, like this. A, B, C and D, AB plus BC plus CD and plus DA. We can find the perimeter like this. And the perimeter of a square, as you know that the four sides of a square are equal. So all the sides are equal. So we can find it as L plus L plus L plus L. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 times L. So we can find the perimeter of a square like this, 4L. What is the perimeter of rectangle? As you know that in the rectangular length, two lengths are same and two breadths are same. So to find the perimeter of a rectangle, you can write 2 times L and 2 times its breadth. L plus L, it is 2 times L. B plus B, it's 2 times B. 2 is common between these two. We'll take common it as outside and we will write L plus B in the parenthesis. So this is the formula. You can say this has become a formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle, that is 2L plus B. How we can find the perimeter of parallelogram? That is also the same, like 2 into L plus B. And how can we find the perimeter of the triangle? Like this. There is a small a in front of capital A. There is a small b in front of capital B. C is in front of. Now come for the exercise from page number 220. Exercise is 17A. All first two questions, all the parts of first two questions are objective type, and you can do that questions. You can find the answers through the definitions that we have done right now. Come for the question number 3, that is find the perimeter of each of the following. A square of 8 centimeter. As you know that how we can find the perimeter of a square. Yes, that was 4L. So you can say L is 8 centimeter. So you can multiply 4 multiply by 8, that is 32 centimeter. A rectangle of side 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter. You can say that this one is L and this second one is B. The formula was 2 into L plus B. What was the formula to find out the perimeter of a triangle? That was A plus B plus C. And what was the formula for parallelogram? Adjacent sides 8 and 6 centimeter respectively. And what was the formula of a rhombus of side 5.5 centimeter for rhombus? So for rhombus you can also use as 4L. Calculate the perimeter of each of the following figures. Here some figures are given over here and you have to find out the perimeter. different figures with different sizes and different sides. This is 3 centimeter, so you can add up all its sides to find its perimeter. And for this figure you can add up its all the sides, that is 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 5 plus 12 plus 20 and plus this 10 to find its perimeter. So your today's task is question number 1 to 4. To practice all these 4 questions,